Sometimes, all you need is a daily reminder of how strong and amazing you are. This Beads of Bravery bracelet is one way to remind yourself of your very own positive saying every day. The bracelet uses the secret language of dots and dashes called Morse code. It hides your motto in the design, so it's for your eyes only. What you'll need to get going: 4 color beads, stretchy beading cord, Morse code translator, which you can find online, scissors. Make sure you ask your parents before you use them. First, choose your motto and write out the first letters of each word in it. You will use 4 colors total, 1 to be the base, 1 to represent dashes, 1 for dots, and 1 to be a spacer between the dashes and dots. Thread a few base color beads onto the cord. Add a spacer bead to show that you're starting your motto. Use the Morse code translator to see how many dots or dashes are in the first letter of the first word, and use the corresponding colored beads on your bracelet. Put a spacer colored bead in between the first letter and the next one. Repeat until you've completed the first letter of all the words in your motto. To tie off your bracelet, make sure there's no space between any of the beads. Then line up the edges of the bracelet. Tie a double knot. Cut off the extra elastic and you're all done. Now, you've got your very own Beads of Bravery. If you feel sad or a bully bothers you, you can think of your motto and touch the beads to remember that you are a strong and smart girl who can stand up to bullying. Tell us how you stay strong in the comments below, and make sure to check out our other videos.